Hey, what is up, you guys? We're back. Okay, so this one, we're going to teach you guys about energy, how to heal great, how to feel great instantly. Okay, so your energy bodies, they can get built up or depleted. So let's do a little exercise to show you guys how to re-energize yourself, to get yourself to heal great and feel great instantly. Okay, so spread your fingers apart and then cup your hands a little bit and just go like this. Lightly, like you have a basketball. Okay, this is how you make a chi ball. Now, feel your fingers. You should feel a bit of a tingly sensation. Okay, now if you close your fingers, it should make it go away. When you open them, it lets the energy increase into you to go through your chakras. And when you have blockages inside, you might have like some kind of pain or a sore back or a sore neck or something going on or whatever, and then that's how you clear these blockages. Okay, so again, go like this with your fingers open and your palms cupped, okay? And then raise your hands up with your fingers open. This will push the energy from the universe around you into you, okay? And this is intelligent energy. When it does this, it'll fill up, go through your chakras and everything, and this energy will nourish you better than food does. So yeah, that's how you feel great and heal great instantly, is you charge yourself up like a battery, because if you're depleted, your health will start to go down. Even your wits and your mental capacity, you'll just feel drained. So if you do this, sometimes some of the high power guys will do things like this. And a lot of the movements they're doing is your organic, so we absorb and collect the prana and the chi energy, right? So, and there's things you can do with your body posture that could block it. And there are things that you can do that open the flow of it into you. And again, it is nourishing the life force and vitality, right? So it'll keep you youthful. It'll help you to feel great. And I'm sure out there's been like, COVID, people have had masks, everybody's just tired of this, right? I'm sure that's made a couple of people feel off a little bit. So that's how you make yourself feel great. You just, do a little bit of stretching and a little bit of like a energy recharge. And again, open your fingers, cup your hands, and when you lift your hands up, it forces the energy down into your body to re-energize you. And yeah, some other things, you can wash your hands. If you feel off of it, you can have a shower to cleanse yourself and reset yourself. But yeah, that's a good way to make yourself feel great. And a lot of people, when they're doing Tai Chi and other things, essentially what they're doing is re-energizing their body and their energy bodies. And if you keep everything flowing and healthy, like Bruce Lee said, be like water, right? So it's like, running water never grows stale. So if you keep the running energy, water running in you, it just keeps you healthy and your vitality top shelf. Okay guys, peace out, make the most of yourself. We all want to stay blessed.